Ito yung investment na merong dividends every quarter. Kung sumusubaybay ka sa series natin, siguro by now meron ka ng COL account and marunong ka nang mag-trade. Pero kung hindi pa, I have videos to help you kung paano mag-open ng account and kung paano rin naman mag-invest. Real estate investment trust is one of those passive income sources. So kung gusto mo mag-invest sa stock market, you can try investing in real estate. These are companies that operates rental properties, kagaya ng mga office spaces, commercial buildings, condominium. These are huge companies na merong maraming real estate property. Kapag bumili ka ng shares ng REIT, ng any of those companies, magkakaroon na rin ng partial ownership sa company niya, sa real estate niya. Kapag kumita sila sa rental income, meron ka rin parte doon. And that's why investors invest in REITs. So, kagaya nga ng isang stocks na bibilihin mo rin sa stock market, sa REITs, tutubo ka or kikita ka through capital gains kapag tumaas yung value ng REIT na binili mo. Let's say, bumili ka ng AREIT sa halagang 100, tapos after ilang months, naging 150 na siya at binenta mo yun. Doon ka kikita capital gains. And another is through dividends. 90% of their taxable income ng REIT companies na to, that is dinidivide nila sa mga investors nila. Sa atin, ibibigay nila yan. And they are obliged by the law. So, dividends talaga ang REIT. Kasi yung ibang company hindi nagbibigay ng dividends. Depende yan sa company. But sa REITs, talagang meron silang binibigay ng dividends. So, goods yan. So, yung benefits niya. First is affordability. So, affordable talaga kasi compared naman kung bibili ka ng mga real estate properties that would cost you millions or hundreds of thousands. Ang REITs, you can invest in it for as low as 1,000, diba? Sa mga online broker mo. Also, number 2, this is very good for your portfolio because it is diversified. Sa REITs, maraming iba't ibang properties. So, yun yung gusto natin sa portfolio natin. Yung maraming iba't ibang properties para kung meron man isang property na malugi, at least may iba pang mga properties na mag-aangat sa kanya. Another one is, it is very easy to withdraw. So, para lang din siya stocks. I-withdraw mo siya, mag-fill out ka lang ng online withdrawal form, and then, after 2 to 3 business days, nandiyan na siya sa bank account mo. There are also risks in investing in REITs. Kagaya ng kapag bumagsak ang economy, so babagsak din yung presyo ng mga stocks sa stock market. Doon maaari kang malugi. Bumaba yung halaga ng stocks, bumaba yung pera mo. So, another is kapag medyo hindi maganda yung performance na binilihan mo na REITs, wala masyadong upa or hindi masyadong attractive sa mga bagong tenants, maaaring hindi maging appealing sa mga investors. Walang masyadong bumili ng stocks. Dahil bumaba yung presyo ng stocks, bumaba yung value ng pera mo. And so, those are the risks sa pag-i-invest sa REITs. But in any investment naman, lagi naman talagang merong risk na pwede kang manalo, pero pwede ka rin matalo. So, in investing, you really have to be knowledgeable sa pinapasok mo. Kailangan mo rin magsagawa ng sariling research. So, in this part, I will teach you kung paano bumili ng REITs sa COL Financial. So before we start the tutorial, I will tell you 3 things that you need to know bago ka bumili ng REITs. First is, you want to choose the yield with the REITs with high dividend yield. So, yung mataas yung percentage na dividend or ng libreng cash na kukuha mo. That would say. Another is, you want to check for the company na maganda yung performance in the long run. And then thirdly, you want to know kung merong mga future projects or plans yung company niya. Para makita mo na talagang this company is growing and is going to yield more money pa in the future. So, that's it. Let's go to the tutorial.
Okay, so nandito tayo sa interface ng COL Financial sa Home tab. Important dito sa Home tab is you click the consent to trade REITs. So, just click that. Okay, para may consent ka na, you can start trading REITs already. And then we go to the quotes tab. Dito naman sa quotes tab, you might want to click the stock list para lang makita mo yung mga ina-offer nilang REITs. So, nandyan yung AREIT, nandyan yung, CREIT, ayan, DDMPR, those are the REITs. And then, next is the trade tab. When you click that, there is where you can buy and sell REITs. But, ano namang bibilhin mong REIT? So, you still want to know about the REITs. So, you go to research and just click fundamentals. And then, you can click REIT snapshot. Ayan. Diyan mo makikita yung mga ino-offer ng COL Financial na REIT. So, andyan yung AREIT, CREIT, DDMPR, FILRT, MREIT, PREITs, RCR, and these are the prices, estimated dividend yield per share, dividend yield na percentage, and pati yung mga REIT type. Before buying REITs, you might want to check this REIT snapshot para lang magkaroon ka ng mga idea kung ano yung REITs na ino-offer ng COL, kung ano yung mga properties na ino-offer ng REITs na to, and kung magkano, ayan, may risks, and kung ano yung mga ino-offer nilang properties, and these are other information about it. So, that's why I told you na you really have to do your own research. Ayan, nakikita mo may mga iba't ibang REITs, may iba't ibang prices sila, and this just started like 2 years ago, kaya medyo mabababa pa yung presyo nila. But the more investors na maisip na mag-invest sa REITs, for sure tataas yung presyo. So maganda na nasa starting part pa lang tayo. Okay, let's go back to trade tab. Ngayon, nabasa mo na yon and nakapag-research ka na, gusto mo nang bumili. This is where you can buy. Okay, just click which REITs you want to buy. Let's say the DMPR. It's 1 peso. So, 1,000 ang board lot. So, 1,000 ang minimum number of shares na pwede mong bilhin per transaction. So, let's say magbili tayo ng 1,000 and then yung price na bibilhin mo is mas mababa sa price niya ngayon. Let's say, bibili ka ng 1.25. Yan. So, makikita mo dyan sa pinakababa kung magkano yung babayaran mo total. Just click on preview order and then there are the charges. Ayan yung total na babayaran mo, and then kung okay na sa'yo yan, sure ka nang bibilin mo yan, just go and enter your password and click the place buy order. Ayan. So, if you want to make sure if it go through or not, just go click trading history and view order. Ayan, makikita mo dyan, ano pa lang siya, hindi pa siya nabibenta. Hindi mo pa siya nabibili. Okay, wala pa siya sa portfolio mo. So, ganyan nga mangyayari kapag binili mo yung hindi sa presyo niya ngayon. Binili mo yung presyo na mas mababa. So, gusto mo kasi makamura. Kaya, hintayin mo na magbaba yung presyo bago mo yun mabili. Okay. Paano naman mag-sell? Okay, mag-sell naman. Let's go to Trade tab and then Sell button. Just click the Sell button and then lagay mo kung anong stock code. So, kanina DDMPR. So, kunyari magsisell tayo ng 1,000 shares. So, yun yung meron tayo. And then, just put the price kung magkano mo siya gustong ibenta. Dapat mas mataas kesa sa kung magkano mo siya nabili para kumita ka doon. And then just click preview order. If you want to withdraw na, just go to portfolio, and here you can check kung magkano yung buying power mo. Yan yung pwede mo i-withdraw. Yan. And if you're ready to withdraw, you can click withdrawal request. That will prompt you to this important announcement. Just click OK, and then you will then be prompted to the online withdrawal request form. Here, yan, ilalagay mo lang kung magkano yung gusto mong i-withdraw. Kung ilalagay ba siya sa bank account mo, kung check ba yung gusto mo, and then click submit. Ganun lang siya kadaling mag-withdraw. And that's it. That's REITs.
Hopefully, naintindihan niyo ang REITs and natuto kayo kung paano mag-invest sa REITs. Next video natin sa My Money Works for Me series na to, i-explain ko kung ano ang mutual funds. This is one of the safest investment kasi in stock market. And this is very beginner friendly. I even have mutual funds. So kung ayaw mo ng mga risky investments kagaya ng stocks and REITs, you can try to invest in mutual funds. Kung gusto mong matuto how to invest in mutual funds, just wait for the next video. If naging informative yung video, please click the like button para marami pang makanood at matuto.